In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use synced blocks in Notion. This is one of those features that can quietly transform the way you organize information, especially if you find yourself repeating the same content across multiple pages. Synced blocks allow you to write something once and have it automatically update everywhere else, saving you time and keeping your workspace consistent and clean. Let's start by opening Notion and navigating to the page where you want to create your synced content. This can be a main dashboard, a notes page, or even a completely blank page you're starting from scratch. Once you're on the page, click anywhere so you can create a new block. Now type a / and begin typing synced blocks. As you do this, Notion will display a list of available block options. From that list, click on Synced Block. Right away, you'll see a synced block container appear on your page. Inside this synced block, you can now add any content you want to reuse later. This can be simple text, bullet points, checklists, headings, or even more advanced blocks like toggles. For now, type in some sample text so it's easy to see how syncing works. Think of this content as something you'd want to appear in multiple places, such as standard instructions or recurring notes. Once your content is inside the synced block, hover over the block and look toward the top right corner. Click on the copy icon menu. This step is important because it copies the synced block itself, not just the text inside it. Now, you can paste this synced block somewhere else. You might paste it lower on the same page, or you can navigate to a completely different page in Notion, where you want the same content to appear. Click anywhere on that page and paste. You'll notice that the pasted content looks exactly the same as the original. That's because both blocks are now linked together. You can repeat this process as many times as you like, pasting the synced block across multiple pages, inside templates, or even within databases. Here's where the real magic happens. Click into the text inside any one of the synced blocks and make a small change. As soon as you do, that edit instantly updates everywhere the synced block exists. This means you only need to edit your content once, and everything stays perfectly in sync. This is especially useful for recurring instructions, shared notes, or reminders that need to stay identical. If you ever decide you no longer want a block to be synced, you can open the block menu and choose to unsync it, turning it back into a regular block. And that's how you use synced blocks in Notion to save time and stay organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.